how to sort text alphabetically in Word. So if you want to sort the text alphabetically in Word, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Word document. After opening your Word, now as you can see that I have all of the words right here that I would like to sort alphabetically. So if you want to sort, you need to just copy that text. After copying, you need to go with the Home tab. And under Home, here on the right side, you will have an option of A to Z, which is sort. So just click on sort. So now I'll select paragraph and I'll select text, which is on the right side. And then if you want the ascending order, you can choose the ascending order or descending order. And if you have header, then you can go with header option. But in my case, I don't have header. And after that, you need to go with OK. And that's it. That's how you can sort the text alphabetically in Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.